Hey YouTube, it's me, and today, if you saw from the title, I am back with a true unboxing. I haven't even seen this thing. It is still sitting in the box. I haven't even opened it. I'm so excited, y'all. So y'all want to see what I got? Stay tuned. Y'all, I had to go down to the beauty salon and get me old nasty piece of over 35 hair tease woman and my red lipstick on. Yes, I've been watching way too much Funky Diva videos. He is a trip, but I love him to death. But yes, y'all, I had to put on my red lipstick because it's so significant to the purchase. So if you guys have watched the previous two videos that I have been doing, I have been diving into the pre-love market, and I just been going straight bananas. And so much so that I have decided that I'm going to try to start doing consignment shopping for people. And so I've started a little bit. I'm gathering my inventory, getting pieces. As you know, things like that kind of cost, so you have to kind of move slow. But I've been getting my inventory and getting pieces down, so you guys stay tuned for that, because I will start selling. I mostly want to focus on Louis Vuitton because I am very familiar with that brand, and that brand holds its value. But we're not even gonna go into all that, okay? We are here for this, okay? And so yeah, and so I have been looking at Louis Vuitton. I ain't gonna lie, I kind of got tired. I was like, you know what? I want something new. You know what I mean? I want something. I want the grandpappy, okay? I just want something else. And so I was like, you know what? Let me go over to the Chanel and start looking. And so I went over to Chanel and I put out a feeler. Some feelers, you know, some searching for us. And I ran across this lady named Miss Lisa, and she had the most gorgeous bag. And Miss Lisa, first of all, I want to say thank you if you're watching this video. Thank you so much for being patient with me, and for, you know, for guiding me and protecting me. I think we were both in it the same, because she was selling her bag for the first time, and I was buying a Chanel for the first time. So we both was scared, because that kind of money, and you know, with that kind of product, you don't want to be scared. Nobody wants to be scammed. But I think that we worked out a really great deal. And I got something that I really want, so I'm going to unbox it with you all. And I wanted it to be a true unboxing, because I wanted you guys to see this with me as I see it as well. So yes, like I said, I put the feelers out there, and she answered the call, and we worked back and forth. I did get the bag authenticated, because, you know, I mean, although I already kind of knew it was legit, because she had everything. She had the tag, the original receipt, everything. You just never really know, and you want to make sure you're getting, you know, what you're paying for is what you're getting. So I did have the bag authenticated with Authentication First Authenticators. And once they gave me the green light that the bag was actually authenticated, I went ahead and made the purchase. Now, you guys know Authentication First, they do Chanel, Louis Vuitton, all those, and it's only $10. So for the, you know, for the price of bag, or for what you're going to do, it's worth the investment. And if I ever plan on reselling this purchase, which I really hope I don't, I always have the authentication now with me, and so that's one thing I don't ever have to worry about. All right, so I got the bag. Little note. I hope this bag brings you as much joy as it did me. Wear it with pride and humbleness. All the best, Lisa. And so what really drew me to her is because, like, she had everything with the bag, and it's so hard to find a buyer that has the box, the the authentication card. The authentication card is so important. Well, it was so important for me, and for me, I wanted the full experience, guys. I wanted the full experience, and so yeah, I wanted everything. I didn't want to shortchange, and so she's here. Jesus Christ. Just the bag itself, just the box. Oh God, I finally got one. I can't believe it. I sold all my purses to get this motherfucker. And it's here. Oh God, she had the box and a ribbon. I was like, give it to me. Okay, y'all tired of looking at the box? Okay, let's open. It's just so pretty. I don't even want to open. Oh. And so I'm going to open it for you. Take the box. Take it off the box. Oh, she had the box. Oh, God. I'm so glad I decided to take this on camera because, like, I am cutting the donkey. Oh, God, she has to take one of mine. I really, really like this, Lisa. Oh, God. Okay. Oh, I don't even want to rip it off. Like, oh, God. Like, I went to even Fashion File and all those Trendies, and just none of them were going to offer this whole experience that I'm gathering here. Alright guys, so let's unveil it. And what I really loved about is that she kept such good care. And I got the Chanel Petite Tote. Oh, bitches! Stop the press! Oh God, look at it. In caviar leather. Oh my God, the bag looks brand new. Lisa, you did a great job. And I got it in the dark brown. And I really wanted, I wanted black, but then when I started thinking about it, I was like, I got all those brown accessories that I just purchased, and so why not go for the brown? And then here we are in the brown. Oh my God. And in the back has a nice card. Oh, she gave me the card, the authenticity card. She gave me the actual tag that came with it when she purchased it. The actual receipt that she got it from Neiman Marcus. Oh God. And the little gift, the little card here from Chanel. And it says, the Chanel has been selected, a whole bunch of little C stickers, stuff that says, and Chanel, a whole bunch of Chanel, Like, I really feel like I got the whole experience here, guys. Yes, guys, I got me the Chanel Petite Tote in dark brown. And I wanted a tote more so than a flap, because I have a child now, and I got rid of the Speedy because it was just not conducive to my lifestyle. And this is more conducive, like a tote where I can just pick stuff, put stuff in, and it is in pristine condition. It is the perfect size, and the hologram sticker at the bottom is too far down for you guys to see. But yes, guys, I finally got me a Chanel bag. So, like I said, what made me pick the tote is because, for one, it's a classic tote. I wanted a tote that had the classic handles with the silver hardware and the leather, the whole chain tote, the whole chain handles. I wanted that. I wanted caviar leather because caviar leather is the more durable leather, and so that's what I really, really wanted. And now I got me a Chanel bag, bitches! I can't believe it, bitch. Bitch, I did it, bitch. Can you fucking believe this shit, bitch? Hold on, let me go see. Let me go get my other thing. Let me see if they match real quick. Hold on, I'll be right back. Got them, y'all. Oh my God, y'all. Let's see, y'all. Do it match, y'all? It match, bitch. Yes, that thing. Oh, yes, bitch. Yes. Yes, it's a perfect match. Oh, yes. And so it matches. Yes, bitch. Yes. So if you guys remember, this is my Louis Vuitton set that I had purchased pre-loved. And I had went and got it hat stamped. Remember, I went to Louis Vuitton and got a hat stamp. And so I actually bought some inserts for this thing. I actually want to kind of use it as an agenda / wallet first. And then, of course, when we travel, we'll use it as a passport. But then also, if you remember my key clay that I got. And then I got that bitch hot stamp too, bitch. Bitch. That key clay. I'm talking about for a key holder. Bitch. Yes, bitch. It matches. So, yes, guys. I'm excited. I finally got my very first Chanel bag. Oh, a girl can hold a dream. Oh, it's like the ultimate bag. Like, everybody wants a Chanel. Like, a Chanel besides Hermes. And you know what? For Hermes, I don't like, those bags are not attractive to me. They're not really attractive to me. But the Chanel, the logo, the CC. I mean, she kept it in awesome condition, especially for the age of this bag. They don't make this bag anymore. This bag is just been discontinued. So finding one in this condition for this price with all the stuff that she provided is hard. And so, yes, I really feel like I got a deal. Thank you, Miss Lisa, for my bag, my beautiful Chanel bag. Oh, you want to use it? I don't. I'm scared. I'm scared to use it. Oh, Jesus Christ. I got to use it. I pay too much. I got to use it. Alright, guys. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll be coming to you guys with more videos, showing more products and things like that. But I'm going to go enjoy my baby. Alright, thanks for watching.